Now we have to find the equation of a plane passing through two given points and parallel to x-axis. Now equation of any plane passing through two, 3 and -4 is, now the equation is a with x -2 plus b with y -3 plus c with z negative of 4 is equal to 0, or a with x -2 plus b with y -3 plus c with z plus 4 is equal to 0. This is equation 1. Now the plane 1 passes through the second point. Now it passes through 1, -1, 3. Therefore a with 1 -2 plus b -1 -3 plus c with 3 plus 4 is equal to 0, or this is negative of a, negative of 4b plus 7c is equal to 0. Equation 2. Now it is given that it is parallel to the x-axis. Now the given plane is parallel to x-axis and direction cosines of x-axis are 1, 0, 0. Direction cosines of x-axis are 1, 0, 0. Now therefore the normal to the plane is perpendicular to x-axis. Therefore a with 1 plus b with 0 plus c with 0 is equal to 0, or a is equal to 0. Equation 3. Now solving equation 2 and equation 3 by cross multiplication, now here coefficients of the variables are -1, -4 and 7, and here the coefficients are 1, 0, 0. Okay, so it is a 0 minus 0 is equal to b with now 7 and 0, and that side it is negative of 4 and 0. So it is 7 minus 0 is equal to c upon 0 plus 4 is equal to lambda. Okay, so now we are having a is equal to 0, b is equal to 7 lambda, c is equal to 4 lambda. Now substituting values of A, B and C in equation 1. Equation 1 is which one? This one. Now 0 with x minus 2 plus 7 lambda with y minus 3 plus 4 lambda with z plus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. So to this, what we can write it now? We can write it 7 with y minus 3 plus 4 with z plus 4 is equal to 0. 7y minus 21 plus 4z plus 16 is equal to 0. 7y plus 4z minus 5 is equal to 0. Therefore, required equation is 7y plus 4z minus 5 is equal to 0. Answer.